Apple is poised to redefine smartphone repair with a revolutionary new technology. The upcoming iPhone 17 series will introduce a groundbreaking method for battery removal, designed to be both simpler and more sustainable. Instead of relying on traditional adhesive removal techniques, which can be messy and time-consuming, Apple's innovation utilizes electrical current to loosen the adhesive holding the battery in place. This innovative approach empowers users to replace their batteries more easily and conveniently, either at home or through authorized repair centers. By making battery replacement more accessible, Apple is not only addressing a common customer concern, but also promoting a more environmentally friendly approach to smartphone ownership. The ability to replace batteries independently reduces the need for electronic waste and extends the lifespan of devices. This aligns with Apple's ongoing commitment to sustainability and its efforts to minimize the environmental impact of its products. Apple's commitment to user convenience and device longevity has led to the development of innovative technologies. One such breakthrough is electrically induced battery removal. This groundbreaking method offers a simplified approach to removing the battery from the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max models. By applying a low-voltage electrical current to the adhesive securing the battery, this technique effectively loosens its hold. This process eliminates the need for traditional, more forceful methods that can potentially damage the battery or surrounding components. The result is a safer and more efficient way to replace the battery, ensuring optimal performance and extending the device's lifespan. Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series is set to revolutionize mobile photography. The entire lineup, from the standard iPhone 17 to the Pro Max, will feature a significant upgrade to their front-facing cameras. A 24-megapixel sensor will be incorporated into all models, ensuring sharper, more detailed selfies and video calls. This substantial improvement will elevate the quality of self-portraits and virtual interactions. For those seeking even more advanced photography capabilities, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will stand out with its 48-megapixel telephoto camera. This high-resolution sensor will provide exceptional zoom capabilities, allowing users to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity. Moreover, the telephoto lens will excel in low-light conditions, delivering stunning images even in challenging environments. The combination of these camera enhancements promises to redefine the boundaries of mobile photography and offer users an unparalleled creative experience. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a substantial upgrade in memory capacity, boasting 12 GB of RAM. This significant increase from its predecessor's 8 GB will directly translate to smoother multitasking capabilities. Users can expect seamless transitions between apps, reduced app loading times, and enhanced performance when running demanding applications and games. The additional RAM will empower the device to handle complex tasks with ease, providing a more fluid and responsive user experience. A refined dynamic island, smaller and more immersive. Apple has further refined the innovative dynamic island design for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The interactive pill-shaped cutout will now occupy a smaller space on the screen, offering users more valuable screen real estate. This size reduction will enhance the overall viewing experience, allowing for larger content display and less visual obstruction. While maintaining the dynamic island's core functionality, Apple has optimized its design to strike a balance between interactivity and immersion, providing a more seamless and immersive user experience. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will offer a larger 6.9-inch display, providing more screen real estate for immersive content consumption and multitasking. The powerful A19 Pro chipset will deliver blazing fast performance, ensuring seamless app launches, smooth gaming experiences, and efficient multitasking. The devices will also run on the latest iOS operating system, offering a host of new features and enhancements to improve user experience and productivity. In conclusion, the iPhone 17 series is set to revolutionize smartphone repair and user experience. With its innovative electrically induced battery removal technology, Apple is making it easier than ever for users to take control of their devices and extend their lifespan. Coupled with the upgraded cameras, increased RAM, and other enhancements, The iPhone 17 series promises to be a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts and consumers alike.